EasyPromo 3D is the ideal tool for creating virtual samples quickly and easily for clothing products. The new version 2, has a much bigger screen. As you can see here, I can zoom in and look at the product in a lot more detail. We've also improved the modelling techniques, so hopefully, as you can see here, you get a great view of the texture of a product right down to the branding inside it. And we've improved on the right hand side here, if you click the Colours tab, the ability to switch between the colours for the product. So it's very easy for you to change the colours. And obviously, working with the manufacturers, we've set it up so that in essence the colours available are the colours that they actually do. So it's pretty simple for you to go to the system, use the product tab on the left hand side to find products. You can type in names, etc. And we've got lots of the leading clothing brands now. Once you've found the product, it obviously loads on the screen. That product is then available in 3D as well, so you can either use the rotation keys at the top to turn it around, or you can even use your mouse. So if you use your mouse like so, you can turn it round from any angle or just the rotation keys at the top. You can even set things as auto rotate, so you send a sample to someone. So you see, you can load a product, you can change the colours on the product in terms of that. So let's leave it as a yellow one for now, and then we can go on to the Images tab, and we can either take an image like we've done before. So let's have a look there now. I'm going to upload the Virgin one, or we could browse and take an image from your local computer. So let's just hit the Virgin one there. That's where I positioned the logo last time I did it. So I can click on there, and then I could use the tabs here to resize the logo within a set print area. I can move the logo anywhere on the canvas. I can then go in and look at it in terms of that, and I might want to remove the white in the background. So I can click on that tool, use my slider tool to cut it tighter, hit save, and it's now added that logo to the front and removed the white. What I might then want to do, if I use the copy image, let me copy that image to the right arm and copy it to the left arm. So now if we turn that round, you can see there that's on there. And the next thing we might decide to do is put some text on the back. So if I choose back as my print area, choose text, here to help. Okay, and then I've got the option here to change the font if I wish. Here to help, change the size and move it around just like I can with the image. The image areas can be set on a product, and it's as simple as that really. How quick was that to create a virtual sample? So now I've created that virtual sample, I probably want to send it to my customers. So by hitting the Save button down the bottom here, I can set my own folders up, give it a name, hit Save, and it gives me a link. And if I copy that link to clipboard, then that link can be pasted into any email, and your client basically gets to see that link. So there's an example of one we did earlier, and they can move that around, zoom in on it, etc. So that's one option, the link. I can do a screenshot, say there, which will actually just save a JPEG, or I could use the Save PDF option. When I hit the Save PDF option, that creates a sheet like this, which basically, and you can see that was one I created earlier, but in essence that gives us 4 views of the product which you can brand yourself, and a link to the 3D virtual sample. So it's pretty easy to use. You can get detail on there now, and if you hit the Products tab, you can search for all sorts of different products. And the other good thing, if I go to the Save tab, I can actually drop down and I can save folders for all of my customers or by product, and it allows me then to recall products that I've created before. Okay, that gives you a brief reason why we think Easy Promo 3D version 2 is a great tool for creating virtuals for clothing for your customers.